Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to a new video about learning short vowel sounds. Last week's video, we did the short A sound, which sounded like ah. Today, we're going to do the short E sound, which makes the eh sound, like egg. In fact, my name is Eddie the Egg, and we're going to be working today with my friend and partner, Ellie the Owl. We're going to be finding words that contain the letter E in them that make the eh sound. And once we find those words, we're going to give them to Ellie the Owl. But I'm going to need your help. Want to help me today? Okay, perfect. Let's get started. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at cards, and each one of these cards has a picture on it, and we need to figure out together if the picture on the card makes the short E sound, like eh. So you're going to help me, and if we find a word that has the eh sound in it, we're going to give it to Ellie the Owl. Does that sound like fun? Okay, so let's start. The first card is a net. A net that you can catch butterflies or fishies in. So does the word net have the eh sound in it somewhere? Say it with me. Net. Net. Does it have the eh sound? It does, doesn't it? Perfect. Well, let's give it over to Ellie because she wants this net. Okay, on to our next card. This is do you know what it is? That's right, a bed. It's a bed. Does bed have the short E sound, the eh sound? Say it with me. Bed. Bed. It does have the short E sound. So who do we give it over to? That's right, over to Ellie. Here you go, Ellie. On to our next card. Do you know what this is? It's a clock. Let's say clock a few times. Clock. That's right. Say it with me. Clock. Clock. Does clock have the eh sound in it? Clock. No, you're right. It doesn't have the eh sound. It's got the ah sound, not eh. So we can't give this one to Ellie, so we're gonna put this over to the side. On to our next card. Oh, I think you know what this is. Take a look. What is it? Great job, it's a pen. Does pen have the eh sound in it? Does it sound like it has the short E sound? Let's say it together. Pen. Now you say it. Great job. So does it have the S sound? Awesome. It does have the S sound. Pen has the short E sound. So let's give this one over to Ellie. Here's the next card. Oh, I know this guy. This is my cousin Elvis. See, I'm Eddie, and I'm a hard-boiled egg. This is Elvis, and he is a fried egg. So, do we think that egg has the eh sound in it? Egg. Egg. It does have the short E sound. So, let's give Elvis over to Ellie. Oh, I know what this is. Do you? This is the number 5. Great job. boy, you're so smart. But now we have to find out if 5 has the eh sound in it. Say it with me. 5. 5. It doesn't sound to me like it has the eh sound, so we're not gonna give this one to Ellie, because she only likes cards that have the eh sound. So we're gonna put this one to the side. Here's our next card. Do you know what this is? That's right, it's a spider web. Does web have the eh sound? Let's say it together. Web. Web. It does have the eh sound, doesn't it? Web. Okay, great. Well, I know Ellie's probably getting hungry, so she's gonna want this card. So let's give it to her. On the next card, we have a tire. Does tire have the eh sound? No, it doesn't, does it? So we're gonna put the tire to the side. Here's our next card. A tent. Does tent have the eh sound in it? Let's say it together. Tent. Tent. It does have the eh sound, doesn't it? Great! Hey Ellie, want this tent? Perfect, here we go! Here's our next card. It's another number. Do you know what number it is? Oh, wow! You are so smart! It is a 10. Let's see, does 10 have the eh sound in it? Let's say it together. 10. You say it. So do you think it has the eh sound? Let's say it one more time. 10. You're right, it does have the eh sound. Here we go, Ellie, I got one more for you. Here's our next card. It's a green mug. Does mug have the eh sound in it? Mug. Mug. Nope, I don't hear an eh sound, I hear an sound. So this is not a short E sound. So we're gonna put this to the side. Our next card is a nest. Nest. Does nest have the eh sound? Say it with me. Nest. Now you say it. Great. Nest. Does it have the eh sound? It sure does. Here you go, Ellie. I got another one for you. Here's another card. Do you know what this is? It's a belt. Great job. So let's see. Say belt with me again. Belt. Belt. You say it. Great. Do you think it has the eh sound in it? Belt. It does have the eh sound. Great. We have another one for you, Ellie. Here you go. And now we're on our final card. Do you know what this picture is? It's a shell. Great. So let's see. Say shell with me. Shell. Shell. Does shell have the eh sound somewhere in it? Say it one more time. Shell. You're right, it does have the eh sound. Hey Ellie, guess what? The last card has the eh sound. You can have this one too. Here you go. Well, that was a lot of cards to go through, but I had so much fun with your help. Did you have fun helping me and Ellie find which cards had the short E sound, the S sound? Good, I'm so glad you did. You were so helpful and it was so much fun working together. So, if you liked this video and want us to keep doing more, make sure you give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments what short vowel sound you'd like next. So thanks so much for watching. I'm gonna go hang out with Ellie for a little bit and we're gonna go learn some more vowel sounds. See you on the next video, everybody. Bye-bye.